Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 13, 2025. Karera sa araw ng Biyernes. Meron tayong 7 karera. Salitan muna, race 1, 1,400, race 2, 1,200, race 3, balik 1,400, at race 4 hanggang last race 7 ay puro 1,200 meter distance na. So, dalawang 1,400 at 5 1,200. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Biyernes, alas 5 ng hapon, 5 p.m. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race number 1. Winner take all covers races 1 to 7. Isa itong 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. First and only choice number 6, Gain. Race 2, pick 6, cover races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Good Reason. Second choice, number 3, Apollo. Dumako tayo ngayon sa race number 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Isa itong 3-year-old group race placer. First choice, number 2, Great Barrier Reef. Second choice, number 3, Gentleman Bell. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Golden Petita. Second choice, number 2, Rapis Point. Naman tayo ngayon sa race 5 for a surprise win. Last time, first choice na natin siya. Hindi po natin iiwanan pa. First choice number 7, Live Like an Angel with Jackie J.D. Flores. Second choice number 3, Friends Leather. Race 6, penultimate race na may pentapekta. First choice number 6, Simply JC. Second choice number 5, Attractive Force. Third choice number 1, Maybell. Race 7, Paratingan. At ito ay race na may Super 6. First choice, cool first choice natin, number 8, Instant Message. Second choice, number 3, kabayo ni Sir JC, Doña Chichay. Third choice, number 2, Arrogante. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!